We've been hiking for literally 30 seconds.
Maybe it's the first 20 minutes. And then I get warmed up a little bit.
I woke up this morning and I still had lactic acid, or lactic?
Yeah.
Lactic?
Lactic.
I could wake up and I still felt my legs burning from yesterday, which I didn't think it was that bad when I was doing it, but man, I feel it now.
Yeah, it's brutal.
Yeah, so we're going up Cheoah Bald, so it's up for a mile or so. Probably have second breakfast up there.
Yeah, cereal was good. We'll have to buy some of the hydrated milk when we get back.
Oh yeah, that cereal was hit the spot. I thought it was too much cereal, but I ate it. Probably could have eaten
Yeah, the milk tastes
a whole other thing.
Pack out any liquid.
Yep.
Oh, that feels good.
It's supposed to be super warm today, so we're really excited about that. Well, it means bugs, but there's something dripping from a tree up there.
Squirrel pee.
9 miles today.
Pretty much even, isn't it?
9 exactly. Yep. So, oh, and there's also something called Jeffrey's Ladder. Jacob's Ladder. Maybe I just got Jeffrey on the brain. Oh, I do though, actually, because that guy was a helicopter pilot down there.
Oh, yeah?
I was like, my boyfriend's a pilot. He wants to do helicopters. He was like, oh, I've spent like the last 20 years picking fingers out of places, and like when the helicopters go down, they just shred everything. And I was like, my boyfriend's not doing helicopters. Okay. Glad we figured that one out. Thanks, bud. So, no motorcycles for me. No helicopters for you, Jeff. Supposedly it's the best view in Nantahala.
Right here?
No.
Oh, I was going to say. Let down?
No, not that. The cruelest joke is that this looks flat on this camera. Like, I can't imagine anything not less flat. Oh, wow. Okay, that was worth it, I guess. Best view in the Nantahala. That's the word on the mountain. What's that bird talking about? Come here, little bird. We'll pull some Snow White stuff. Come here. Come here. No?
Dropped it though.
No, that was just cheese.
Oh, was it?
Trying to draw him.
There he goes, lumberjack.
Hit my head on this. Well, you were so short, you walked right under it, didn't you?
Yeah, I didn't notice.
Yeah, no, I got it. We were just talking about how we're not feeling today.
Yeah.
It's just stupid. It's like, what the hell? All of these. I didn't even notice that one. I guess I've been walking under them all day. Ah, there's a bee!
Yeah, watching our feet, because this is pretty technical here.
Yeah, my knees are like killing me on this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going all the way down just to go all the way back up again.
Yeah. Wish we could just levitate across.
Then it wouldn't be called hiking the AT.
Sure,
We'd be like
levitating the AT.
levitating the AT.
It'd be pretty sweet though, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it'd be pretty great. Down, 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 down. This chocolate's putting me in a better mood, though. The views are absolutely beautiful today. We have great weather. The bugs are behaving. But these downs, my right knee. Screaming at me.
How about that again?
Hi. Hi. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hi. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. This is like such a treat.
You're really even sitting here eating spam.
I dreamed I'd be sitting here eating spam and olives. So much salt I can pound into my body. So we are at some gap that I forgot the name of. And we sat here for like an hour and a half eating and playing with dogs, and I think we needed the break. I needed it.
Yeah.
I needed it for my mind, and I can see my knees swelling up a bit.
Is it?
Yeah. It's okay. I took an ibuprofen, so I'm sure that fixed it.
All better.
All better. We're not halfway yet for the day. So. Whew. We're not even close to Jacob's Ladder. This is some Georgia incline stuff happening here.
Yeah.
Whew. It makes me feel better if I like aggressively go at it with my arms. You know?
I'm aggressively going out with everything.
Well, we have to be like halfway now.
God, I hope so.
Over half the day is gone anyway, so. We woke up and we were sore from yesterday, and we were like, yeah, today already sucks. But eventually, I mean, when you have a lot of these high incline days, it just makes me think like we're gonna be stronger for these days, you know?
Yeah.
But I hope that's true. Easter trail magic and a trash can. I'm so stoked about this trash can and a view. Oh my. Yay! Not only is there awesome trail magic here, but we got trail magic from a fellow hiker who just went to town. Ah! Burgers! Wonder Bread gave it to my mom. He got us 2 of them.
We gotta do something special for that guy.
Oh yeah.
Well, I waited till 11 at NOC.
I love mayonnaise.
I did.
Climbing out of Cheoah Gap. Is that how you say it?
I think so. Mile 150.
Woo! 150! 150 miles. Cheoah Gap. 2.4 to go. But we have Jacob's Ladder. What our whole day has been leading up to. And conveniently enough, I am filled with food and soda and junior bacon cheeseburgers and Snickers bars.
Thank you, Wonder Bread.
Thank you, Wonder Bread. So, let's see how this goes. It doesn't even capture it at all. That is just like so stunningly gorgeous. I'm tearing up about it. It's so beautiful. And it's just like, it makes me so sad that it doesn't even look like that on the camera. It's so freaking beautiful. Okay. Halfway up Jacob's Ladder. And I'm just like, I'm feeling really overwhelmed by just like how grateful I am to be out here and like how beautiful it is. And this is the hardest thing that we've done so far, just has a mountain. It's the last thing of a 9-mile day. I'm just really grateful that I get to be out here and doing it. So many things had to align for me to get to this place. And it's amazing. Because I feel really strong. And I also feel really, just really grateful that Jeff is sitting at home with our dog. I'm getting to do this with my mom. And I have a body strong enough to even attempt this. Because I can see the top and it's really up there. It's awesome. It's amazing. And I can say I have not been happier on this whole trip than I am right now. There's no bugs. Temperature is perfect. It's so beautiful. There's such a great breeze. And I know I can do this. And it just feels amazing. I'm breathing hard, but it's awesome.
Yeah. We're not even there yet.
Yeah, we're close.
Whew.
You ready?
I'm gonna let my right calf rest just a pinch.
You been crying?
No, my sweat's dripping down my eyes.
Where's your buff?
No, it's too hot.
Oh,
So, you're
these
right.
bugs flying around all over the place.
I was a beast.
I'm not done.
I wasn't terrible. It's just like any other day, but my right calf kept balling up on me. I was
Yeah.
like, oh God, please don't start cramping.
Yeah.
'Cause that's pretty hard to walk with cramping your calf.
Quite the little hill we have here. Can you imagine doing that on day one?
No, not with the pack weight I had and all that.
No.
Can you imagine doing that like 2 hours ago when it was super hot?
Oh, can you
That's what we were
imagine
thinking too.
falling all the way down, having to do that again?
No. I'd be going down to the road. Taking the zero and
Yep.
trying it again the next day.
I'm glad that's over. Hopefully it's over.
9 miles, which is like a fairly high mileage day for us.
Right about where we should be, I guess.
Yeah, and we woke up not into today at all.
No.
And like, I'm gonna go to bed feeling unstoppable, even with like new knee pain and all of that. Like,
It's pretty amazing at the end when you accomplish something like that. It's worth it.
yeah, totally.
Like a gerbil feeder. I don't think this is going to last very long.
Right. I think this is worse because now I'm like barely reaching. Got it.
Well, grow taller.
I knew that was coming.
Are you sterilizing his hands by grabbing the fire? Because this is science.
Shake that might be a good Dude, my snack bag.
With the food. What? Situation.
What's wrong?
Food out of the packets.
Oh.
We can't go back.
Like we've been fucking up.
Oh, hell
No.
Yeah, but me ain't even got a fucking fire.
Yeah, that's what people say too. They're like, no one ever starts fires.
Oh, somebody gave us
What?
all kinds of
Everywhere
shit. They're
I
like,
go, there's, like,
somebody was saying.
I always have to
I've
start
ever heard
one.
some people talking.
Oh my gosh, this is wild onions cooked in pork fat. So good.
Yeah, don't be scared of the burnt, ladies.
Oh my god.
Hot.
Thank you.
Those fire fingers pattering.
They don't do well to hot meat.
Yes. It's like dripping. So good.
Wow.
Mmm.
Oh my.
Well, my puppy is now covered in beef blood, so we're gonna see a bear tonight for sure.
For sure. For sure. We keep thinking that.
Today would
But-
probably be the day to hang
We
it.
always think that when we have all these blood bags and everybody
Yeah.
we never hangs their bear bags all lazy and we just never see them. Oh, you're gonna have to lean with me, bro.
What do you think? Pass it back that way.
Nobody wants it down there?
Want onions?
You can get
Yeah, get there.
A little crispy, but they're good.
Mmm.
That's gonna go right.
I was worried about that. But...
Like extra rare.
I feel like we should all do like a coyote howl over this fucking meat.
Ah!